Hello, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back, and today we have an exciting Excel tutorial for you. Well, we diving deep into the powerful IFS functions in Excel. This functions is a game changer when it comes to handling complex logical conditions. By the end of this tutorial, you will be an expert in using the IFS functions for various scenarios. Let's begin with an overview of what the IFS functions. The IF functions is a logical function in Excel that allow you to evaluate multiple conditions and return a value based on first condition that's true. It's incredibly versatile and can replace complex nested if statement, making your formulas more efficient and easier to understand. Now let's delve into the syntax and uses of the ifs functions. And if I want to use here writing the ifs, then the first one is the and use the parenthesis. This is the logical test one. So on the conditions you want to test, then the value if true 1 and also value if true 2, and so on are the value to return if the corresponding condition is true. So understanding is great, but let's put it into the actions. And here I'm gonna want to use the practical and use here the with the names area, and I want to use this data for using the ifs functions. And here I used the as for the like according to the range we have the type in here, and we want to keep it in our type in here according to our the range, and we will use the ifs functions. So it start with the equal right here, the ifs functions, this one. Then I'm gonna want to use this one, the equal, this one, then use the less than or equal, it will be the 3, then the message will become the kid. Next one, I want to use the logical test 2. So select this one and just use the same as the previous one and just say, and if it is this one, then it will come up the team the range again. I want to use this logical test for 3, then right here and just say is less than or equal to 22, then it will be come up with the young, then again I want to use the last one. If it is, we can say this one, then say greater than the, just say 24, and I can just use greater than 24, then it will come up with the message and say the adult in there. Okay, now close with the parenthesis, then hit on the OK. So according to our logical test, here we got with the ifs functions, and here we got the result because this is the greater than the 24. And if I gonna just drag it down, now you can find here it gives the result in there. Now what's the wrong with them, we want to say, and we can say also the if it is the equal, I can use so the equal, then hit on the OK. Now we are got it. If it is the equal, then use, now you can find this gives the result. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful on the ifs functions in Excel helpful. This function is a real-time server for handling complex logical condition. Thanks for watching.